when AJ upgrades his shop dust collection system. He opens the box, assembles the equipment, and attempts to suppress the dust in his workshop. I'm AJ, and you're watching Woodified. Ooh, shiny. So I've used this new Shop-Vac for one project build so far. I built a new workbench. So far I'm pleased with how much this Shop-Vac sucks. It works so much better than my 1.75 horsepower Shop-Vac. That was the little red one you saw in the background there. However, you notice here the dust is caked in the filter. And I think what I'll do is I'll add a cyclone or build a dust separator in the future, and maybe I'll make some proper dust connections for my tools. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.